Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Sanur Beach on October 2021. If you want to know how to station right there, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will see how the station Sanur Beach in Bali. You see left side? That is loaded car parking. Also in the right side. It's mean like there's people, mostly they go to the beach. So it's like gonna be full today. And if you want to go to the Sanur Beach, you have to pay parking. For the car, you have to pay like 5,000 rupiah and 2,000 for motorbike. And now I will pay the parking ticket. It's around 15 cents dollar. Okay, I already paid the ticket and I continue driving to go to the beach. You see, left side and right side, there is a lot of car parking. There's mostly people go to the beach. Because, you know, like early in the morning, in this area, there is a lot of people. And some of them, they go to Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan. Because in Sanur Beach, in this area, there is the harbor, speedboat to go to the Nusa Penida and Nusa Lembongan. You see right side, there is a lot of car parking. Looks so busy, isn't it? Yeah, it's busy. And now I will park in my motorbike and then try to explore Sanur Beach. Okay guys, welcome to Sanur Beach. You see, there is a lot more motorbike parking. As I told you, in this area in the morning around 7:30 until 11:30, there is a lot people going to the Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan. And they are back from Nusa Penida and Nusa Lembongan in the afternoon around 4:30 until 6:30. And I make this video around 11:30 AM. So that's why we will see together how the ticket counter for speedboat. You see, it's already quiet because some people, they are already in Nusa Penida. But in the afternoon, in this counter will be back very busy because just some people back from Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan to Bali. You see, there is some people just been back from Nusa Lembongan or Nusa Penida to Sanur Bali. And also there is in the morning the boat from Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan back to Sanur Bali. And they are just been back from Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan. And to go to Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan need around 40 minutes by speedboat. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Sanur Harbor. And now we will explore Sanur Beach. If you want to go to the Sanur Beach, you must have vaccine certificate. And also you must scan barcode of your vaccine certificate. You see the sign? Yeah, this is like you must have Peduli Lindungi in application in your mobile phone. So before you enter to the beach, there is the staff from this beach to make sure you are already in vaccine. Okay guys, so now we are in Sanur Beach. It's very beautiful beach, isn't it? Very white sand and the water is so blue. And also if you see today, the weather is very beautiful. I mean, it's very blue sky. And I want to say thank you very much for your support on my channel, because you already subscribed and watching my video. And also, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video, because I believe there is a lot of people missing this area, because Sanur beach is very famous for sunrise beach, and also it's good beach to do some swim, because the wave is already break in the middle. You see, it's so beautiful, isn't it? White sand and very clear water. During the afternoon, in this area, very busy with the local people. There are a lot of children play on the water, because in this beach is very safe. Sand under the water and no wave. It's very good for swim actually. You see, water is very clear, isn't it? Yeah, this area is swimming area. It's nice to spend together with your family here. Look at that kid, looks so fun, isn't it? And there is look busy on the beach. People have swimming there. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Sanur beach on October 2021. And now it's around 3:30. Actually, I stay here a bit longer on the beach because I enjoy the view during the day. And now there is more people coming to this beach. And some speedboat, they back from Nusa Penida to Sanur Harbor. Looks so beautiful. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali during the pandemic corona. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.